welcome to a new video. Currently driving up the 395 towards Lone Pine. It is Saturday morning, about 8:45, 73 degrees, blue skies. We had some rain in the past few days, so the sky is clear and we have perfect conditions for a hike. We're attempting to drive up Horseshoe Meadows Road up to 9,000 feet and then start hiking the Cottonwood Lakes Trail. That is a trail that is 16 miles long. We're obviously not gonna attempt that, not with Gianni, but it should be a fun trail with a creek. So we'll just see how far we get. Enjoy a day up in the mountains. We finally arrived at the trailhead, and as you can see, no more clouds. So we drove up the mountain starting with sunshine and no clouds, drove up through the clouds, and now again we have blue skies. Pretty excited? Are you ready, Johnny? All right, let's go.
Dad. It's freezing. I was right.
Okay.
Dad, don't leave me yet.
We are now about a mile into the hike. It's about noon. We crossed the creek for the first time. And I think there's another crossing upcoming. The water is ice cold, but crystal clear. Gianni? How cold is the water?
Super cold.
Yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. The trail is not very steep. It goes up and down. It is sandy. And it's kind of shaded as you walk among the pine trees. I can hear the water flowing again. It's been another, maybe half mile, maybe a little more. I think we're gonna take a break here. Maybe even turn around. We'll see. For sure we're gonna rest. Eat some snacks. Just enjoy nature, fresh air. Walking back to the car now. Just met a guy, a fly fisher. He said he caught about 20 fish, 20 of those golden trouts, but he released them back. Talked a little bit about the Dodgers. And now we're heading back along this beautiful meadow here.
Look, I see the sand dunes.
Yeah.
I saw the sand dunes.
We are on our way now back to Lone Pine. As you can see, no more clouds. And below us, the majestic Owens Valley and the dry Owens Lake. We have arrived at the campsite, and what a campsite it is. Look at the view. Owens Lake over here, Alabama Hills right over here to the left, and then we'll have the Sierra Nevada as the backdrop. Wow, just wow. $10 at Tuttle Creek Campground. I think we're gonna make a fire, we're gonna make food. We're pretty tired from the hike. Beautiful, but tiring, huh, Gigi? It's a little windy today, but it's not too bad. It's not cold.
Can I break any piece?
Well, good morning, everyone. It's 10 o'clock already. We're just done packing up. We had a good night's sleep. I don't know, I slept 10 hours maybe. Went to bed at around 8 o'clock. Woke up at around 6:37. I'm not sure. Sun's shining. It's pretty warm. We're gonna go up Whitney Portal Road. Mount Whitney, which is in our backyard today. There's a road that goes up to a location where you can park and then start your hikes up Mount Whitney. So we're gonna go up there, we're gonna explore. We're not gonna hike today. It'll be a little cooler as well. And then I think we'll call it a day and drive back home. this is the end of the trip, I guess. Gianni's hungry and wanted to eat some noodles. We'll just hang out for another 20 minutes here in the Deus area. It's as beautiful as I remember. We've been here 8-9 years ago, so I can really recommend to come up here, even if you don't hike. And now with the fall colors on display, it's even more beautiful. That's it for this video. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next one.